because
You're filming this.
I am filming
you
this.
Film me.
You didn't notice till now?
How's it going?
Good. Wanna check it out?
This actually looks refined.
Yeah? I'm doing better, huh? And you think the third one will look even better?
The other one looks fine. It's just that this one looks more refined than the other one.
Oh yeah, this was, well, I built, that's 80 little battery cells in there all soldered together. It took me about 10 hours to build that, but I'll get better at it. Yeah, I'll get better at it.
Covered in gaffer tape.
It doesn't fit perfectly because I covered it in too much gaffer's tape, but it's real close to what I want. Let's see, you want to try it out?
Let me make sure. There it is. I don't know how you run it over here.
Oh, with how cold it is?
No, it's how low it is.
Oh,
And then remove the sys down to 0.
that nothing happens then. It's kind of off. All this is just temporary. I would incorporate these things into a battery pack, but I didn't want to ride this without a battery management and safety cutoff system and all that. So that's what this is the battery safety system and the battery balancing system.
Oh, like that. That's great.
It is. I literally ripped apart
many,
8 laptop batteries.
How many
with
watt hours are in there?
a total of, what is it? What is 8.8 amp hours times 72 volts?
8.8 times 70.
560?
560 watt hours, so half a kilowatt hour basically.
Yeah.
Ish. That's cool. That's a lot of juice.
Yeah, if you milk it, you could probably get 40, 50 miles out of it. If you juice it, you could probably get 10 or 20. And as it is right now, I could probably overjuice it and damage my battery. But
In my car, at this temperature, with my 18.5 kilowatt hour battery, I only get like 50, 55.
okay, but you can get there at 45 miles an hour.
Yes, but
I have to go 10 if I want that kind of range.
well, it's just amazing, you know, the differential in weight and speed. Like, you're alarmingly close to that. You know what I mean?
That's what makes these things viable, and the battery is going to get better. these are what, 10-year-old technology. That's consumer grade now.
So these are LiPo, or these are
These are lithium ion.
the ion?